How to set a reminder alarm on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a reminder and set it up with an alarm sound as well. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Then scroll down again and select Reminders. Now scroll down and make sure Alarms is turned on. After that, scroll further and ensure that Complete from this alarm is also turned on. You can then close the window. Use the search bar to open the Reminders app. Make sure the app is fully updated. If you see any updates on the home screen, update it first before following these steps. Once updated, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Give your reminder a name. Check the box next to Date and select a date for your reminder. Scroll down and add the time as well. After that, look for the Urgent option and turn it on. If you don't see it, that means the app isn't updated yet. Turning on the Urgent option will enable the alarm sound. Once everything is set, tap the tick icon to save it. Now when your reminder activates, it will also trigger the alarm sound automatically.